everyone, today we will do unboxing of one package that I ordered in 6th Street. I ordered one pair of shoes from Lacoste. The model name is Lacoste Esparre. This was ordered last week and I already received the package. Here it is. See? 6th Street. I ordered this last June 23 and was received yesterday. I didn't open till now the package. Let's see if this package was the exact thing that I ordered through online. And my doubt is about the size. I ordered the right size for me, 8.5, but we don't know what they really delivered to me, the right size for me. Let's witness what is the content of this package. Here's the details of the package, and this was ordered from Ajman, Dubai. You can see all my name, my address, but the exact description of the product that I ordered was not written here. It's only the address and my name. So let's see. I'm expecting one pair of shoes from Lacoste. We will open it. Open the side. What's this? Customer details: Ronald Gutierrez, Began Street, Mawale, SIP. Correct mobile number. Oh, it looks like legit. So here's the item description: Lacoste Esparre Tech Lace off-closure sneakers. It's really in red color. Let's see if it's really red color. Actually, I bought this for a price of only 23 Omani Reals. Original price is almost 50 Reals. That's why I bought it, because this 50% discount. Here the box. Lacoste. That's the box. A little bit old. It's written, the paper is red. Actually, the real order that I made in online is this right color. It's almost red, orange, red orange. Let's have a look at this shoes. It is original or genuine. Got the secret inside, comfort foam insoles, discovered ortholite. So etiquette look like an original. Let's examine what's inside the shoes. It's very tight. Pump inside. Well, my USA size is 8.5, Euro 41. I think it's correct size for me. It was made in Thailand. Let's see the smell. Let's check the smell. It smells very nice. Really new. It's the logo of the crocodile. Well, it's not crocodile, it's an alligator. That's what the Lacoste said. It's not a crocodile, it's an alligator. It's very new. I think I find a good one. They delivered to me the right thing. Here are my new shoes. What do you think, guys? Is this nice, or how's the color? Love these shoes. I think it's good for if I'm wearing only walking short, some skinny jeans. The price is good because it's 50% discount, and this model is difficult to find in local market. And in here in Oman, you cannot find a Lacoste shop. Possible to buy this only in some shop in Muscat City Center. But this specific model I cannot find, and I found it only in online. It's nice shoes. That is the full box. Lacoste Esparre. Model is Lacoste Esparre. A very comfy shoes. I think it's easy to dry and easy to wash. Well, that's it. I think I get a good one. The right one that I saw in the internet, in their website in 6th Street, is the right model that they delivered to me. Well, the shipment of the shoes takes only for 7 days, even though there's a lockdown in Oman. And I find it happy. I was happy because they delivered it on time, the time that I expect. And what they promised is for 2 weeks, and they delivered it to me for a matter of 7 days only. It's a nice shoes. I believe it's an original one. Definitely I will wear it start from tomorrow. Thanks guys for watching. See you on my next vlog. And I will try to order other more products, especially for this website 6th Street. And I recommend to you this if you want to order online and genuine original shoes, go for that website, and they have a lot of offers. Thanks guys.